Oh, but as good as it gets right. All right, you guys, today we are going to learn how to make homemade marshmallow fluff. It's really easy to make. We only need 2 ingredients. We're gonna use corn syrup and mini marshmallows. I will later on be teaching you also how to make this without corn syrup. So if you want that recipe, hang tight. This is really easy. We do need to have a double broiler. Many people, including myself, don't have double broilers in their homes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pot, and I have filled this pot with water about halfway full, about to right here. And we're gonna get that water boiling, or not necessarily boiling. We wanna get that water hot and warm. And then we're gonna put in another heavy pot right on top of it, like so. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna insulate that pot, and it's gonna help it have a consistent heat like what a double broiler would do. So the reality is this is a makeshift double broiler. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add to our quote unquote double broiler 2 cups of mini marshmallows. Now I usually have a bag of these laying around because for cocoa in the wintertime. And if you do happen to have a bag that has kind of gotten a little stale, this is a perfect thing to use those for. Just make up a batch of marshmallow fluff to use that up with. So, okay, so our marshmallows are getting a little sticky. So we're gonna go ahead and add in about 2 teaspoons of corn syrup. I'm using light corn syrup, and we may need 3 teaspoons of corn syrup, but we're gonna start with the 2. Usually 1 teaspoon per cup of marshmallow is about the measurement you're gonna go with. Let's get that in there, and we're gonna just kind of stir that up, see how it goes. This is gonna help stabilize everything, keep it from getting nasty on us when we're storing it. Make sure you keep your water that's in your double broiler low, on low heat. All right, so now this is all melted and marshmallows are melted, and this looks like what you would add Rice Krispies to. Let me show you what this looks like. Here we go. About as good as it gets right there.